Hey, Freedom Stickers. Freedom Sticker here. Got something in the mail today. Let's see what I got. Hey, Freedom Stickers. Before I get into today's video, let me get into some community mail. Let's get into it. Today's package came to us from Lady Bullion. Let's see what I got. Got a Sunday Fun Day sticker of Lady Bullion and Hubby B. I picked number 13, which is a 2020 1-ounce Santa Christmas Silver. Oh, that's pretty. It's beautiful. It's blank on the back. Well, this is 2020 holiday season and whatnot on the back, all the way around the outside. Really cool Santa round. And we got a copper round, Joy to the World, Baby Jesus and Mother Mary and Stepfather Joseph. It's the Silversmith Shield. Awesome. Thanks so much, Lady Bullion. Let's get into it. Let's see what we got. We got an SD Bullion. Empty. American Silver Eagle 2. Alright. It's packaged really well. Let's see what we got. So I ended up getting 2 American Silver Eagles for my 52 American Eagle challenge. See what year we ended up with. That one's 2015. And so is that one. I also got my 5th 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle for the month of November. For the 1/10 ounce American Gold Dagger. That's what I call my 10th ounce gold tube. It's the 2020. And I also got the 1 ounce Freedom Round from SD Bullion at spot Black Friday sale. I don't remember what spot was. If I remember correctly, it dropped down right as Black Friday hit. So it was at a decent price, I believe. Go ahead and bring out the random tube. These ones were 2015s. (2018), 2016, 2015. Go ahead and add those two to that stack. 2015. 2015. 2015. 2015. 2015. 2013. 2013. 2013. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2002. And I know my oldest one is a 2000. So the stack here is the tallest, so I should probably start a new tube with this one, I believe. 2015s. I have 8 of them. random tube has 11. So let's keep the random tube random. And SD Bullion sent me another, well, I ordered it, so of course they sent it. You know, Texas Precious Metals, you know, if you're not going to send me a tube when I ask you for a tube, well, I mean, the least you could do is put them on your site for sale so that I could order it. Rant over. American Gold Eagle, 1/10 ounce. For the 1/10 ounce American Gold Dagger. This is my 5th. For the 10th ounce Gold Dagger. It's a 2020, 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle. Chuck! Beautiful coin. An awesome addition to the 4 that I already have. This one's a 2020, 2017, (2013), 2019, and another 2019. So I got a 2013, 2017, 2 2019s, and a 2020. So I was able to hit my goal of getting a 1/2 ounce of gold by the end of the year. And I made this order on Black Friday or Black Friday weekend. This tube holds 50 1/10 ounce, so 5 ounces. So all I have to do is do that 10 more times, and this tube is full. To become a full-strength American Gold Dagger. Awesome. I had forgotten that I had bought this, so of course I didn't bring over my generic tube, but here's another piece of generic silver to go in my generic tube. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking and I'll see you in the next one.